Hi guys, this is Tonya from Tonya's Bakeshop, and today we're going to be going over a bodyweight squat. So to start off, all you need is yourself. You're going to stand up nice and tall in a comfortable position. Your heels should be just outside of your hips width apart, with your toes pointing slightly outwards. When you bend your knees are going to follow in line with your second toe. So once you have your stance nice and comfortable, you're going to squeeze your core tight, pull your shoulder blades back so your chest is nice and tall. You can clasp your hands in front of you, or you can hold your arms out straight. I like to clasp my hands right in front of my chest. So now you're going to drop your butt down, bending your knees. Just after you break parallel, you're going to lift your butt all the way back up, standing up tall. Make sure your feet are planted firmly on the ground and you're squeezing your core tight throughout the whole motion. And that is a bodyweight squat.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe if you'd like to see more videos from me. Thanks, guys!